Today we're going to be opening these magnets.
Let me see the magnets.
Fridge. And we're going to be putting up my honor roll.
So you got AB honor roll. We only. So I took some apart, but LD decided to put them back on the thing, make them stick back together. So let's see how he pulls it apart this time, because it was not easy to pull apart just now. So come on, little genius. Let's see you pull them apart and put them back on the refrigerator with your AB honor roll certificate. I want to see this. Yeah, put your certificate up there.
Yeah, as soon as I put that, Mommy, let me do it.
Okay, let go of it real quick. Let me see if it can hold it up with one.
Mommy, I hold it.
That's kind of strong. Well, that's really strong.
I'm not. Okay, stop there. I'm not.
So 2 does the trick.
I'm not. 6. 2 does 6.
So what else do you think we can put up there on the refrigerator with the magnets?
$1 billion?
They're about this. That's smaller than a dime. So I'm putting my finger next to it so you can kind of see how tiny it is. So it's about the size of my pinky fingernail. But this thing is powerful, man.
It's powerful.
I think we might use these for maybe we can make some little craft and put them on the refrigerator later. So what are you doing now?
I'm trying to see. Stop! 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 Give me phone! Give me my phone! Give my phone! Give my phone.
It's mine.
No, mine. It looks like it.
So this pack of 50 magnets, it's a 50-piece refrigerator magnet, 10 millimeter by 2 millimeter. It's super strong and it comes in this cool little case. These magnets are really powerful, by the way. Great for like craft and stuff that we want to put on the refrigerator. Or as you can see, we put LD's AB honor roll certificate that he got yesterday on the refrigerator. Now we did get these at a discount for our review. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Yes, to see more of our awesome little discounted finds or freebies sometimes. And let us know in the comments what you think about these. I'll also leave the description in the description where you can order some of these online. Thank you. You can tell them bye now.